Make $800 in 4 hours using Google Map. Welcome aboard to Money Ocean, your compass in the vast sea of finance, wealth building, and success stories. On this channel, we navigate through the currents of money management, investment strategies, and the inspiring journeys of successful individuals. Today's episode sets sail on a detailed step-by-step exploration revealing how to make $800 in just 4 hours using the powerful tool of Google Maps. Finding quick ways to create money is always a useful ability in today's fast-paced environment. I'll lead you through a Google Maps technique to make $800 in 4 hours in this step-by-step tutorial. With this approach, small businesses with inadequate or under-optimized Google business profiles can receive digital marketing services. Through the application of your abilities and Google Maps capabilities, you can quickly make money by entering a profitable business. Brainstorming a business idea. Come up with a workable business plan that can produce results in the allotted period before moving forward with execution. To find a service that complements your expertise and the needs of the market, think about investigating different markets and sectors. To determine whether your selected business idea is feasible and profitable, do an extensive study. Additionally, come up with creative strategies or distinctive value propositions that will distinguish your offerings from those of rivals and draw in new customers. Step 2. Check viability. We'll evaluate the market for Google Company Profile Optimization services using Google Trends to make sure the selected company concept has potential. Examine more closely at particular keywords associated with your specialty and note patterns over varying time frames. Seek out rising patterns and persistent interests, as these signify a continuing need for your services. Analyze regional variances in search trends to find profitable areas and adjust your tactics appropriately. This research offers insightful information that can help you modify your strategy for maximum impact and validate your business idea. Step 3. Skill development. We're starting a new service-based company, so it's imperative that we get the right expertise. Investigate online resources to learn about digital marketing tactics and optimizing your Google business profile, such as Google's free seminars and courses. Set aside time for experimentation and hands-on practice to improve your comprehension and competence in providing clients with high-quality services. To remain competitive and fulfill the changing needs of your target market, you must always be learning and developing your skills. Step 4. Finding small businesses. We'll look for small companies in the location we've chosen using Google Maps. To focus on and find companies that complement your service offerings, use sophisticated search criteria. Take notice of businesses with minimal online presence or outdated information on their Google business profiles, as they present excellent opportunities for improvement and intervention. To expedite outreach efforts, compile a comprehensive list of potential clients, complete with contact details and a brief description of their current profile state. Step 5. Assessing opportunities. Once prospective customers have been identified, we will evaluate their Google business profiles to ascertain the level of optimization that is required. Examine every profile in detail, taking into account aspects like accuracy, thoroughness, and general appeal. Identify areas for improvement, including the addition of photos, modification of company hours, response to feedback, and enhancement of keyword optimization. Sort chances into priority lists according to the degree of optimization needed and the possible influence on enhancing the company's online presence and customer base. Step 6. Contacting businesses. We will make contact via phone or customized email after we have a list of target firms. Write a catchy opening statement outlining the advantages of enhancing their internet presence and boosting their Google business profiles. Adapt your strategy to each company, showcasing your knowledge of their unique requirements and obstacles. Stress the benefits of your services and offer to arrange a meeting or demonstration to talk more about how you can support their company objectives. Step 7. Sales pitch and follow-up. We'll stress the value of having a strong online presence and how improved Google business profiles can draw in more clients when speaking with business owners. Answer any queries or worries they might have, and offer case studies or examples of previous clients' good outcomes. It can be essential to make follow-up calls or send emails to confirm agreements or provide more details. Maintain open lines of communication and demonstrate your dedication to achieving results to gain the confidence and credibility of potential clients. Step 8. Negotiation and closing deals. One of the most important steps in the sales process is negotiating terms and prices with prospective companies. Prepare yourself to discuss price lists, service plans, and any additional options that could meet their specific needs and budgetary constraints. Reliability and the capacity to customize services to meet clients' needs might help close deals more successfully. Before concluding contracts or agreements, make sure all parties understand and agree upon the precise parameters of the activity, including deadlines and deliverables. Step 9. Leveraging freelancing platforms. We can set up accounts on freelance marketplaces such as Fiverr in order to broaden our clientele. Make sure to optimize your profile with relevant keywords, captivating descriptions, references from satisfied customers, and examples of your previous work to attract new clients. Use the chat feature of the site to interact with potential customers, respond to their questions, and work out terms. Expanding our clientele enhances the likelihood that we will meet our revenue goal in the allotted period. Monitor and regularly update your profile to stay relevant and visible in the competitive freelance industry. Step 10. Execution and delivery. Once we establish agreements, we must fulfill our commitments. Besides ensuring client satisfaction, we must meticulously improve Google business profiles and provide top-notch support to foster future referrals and long-term collaborations. To guarantee the caliber and efficacy of your services, put industry standards and best practices into practice. Throughout the execution process, be in constant contact with your clients. Send them updates on a regular basis and ask for feedback to make sure they are satisfied. By May, position yourself for future growth and possibilities and establish yourself as a reliable partner by going above and beyond expectations and producing measurable outcomes. In summary, according to these detailed instructions, you can efficiently use Google Maps to swiftly create revenue through digital marketing services. Reaching the $800 goal in 4 hours is doable with aggressive outreach, skill development, and strategic planning. Never forget that in the always changing world of online business, perseverance and flexibility are essential for conquering obstacles and grasping possibilities. Thank you for journeying with us through the money ocean. Be sure to subscribe for more insightful episodes on finance, entrepreneurship, and the pursuit of financial independence. Until our next adventure, may your sails be filled with abundance and your course be charted towards prosperity.